In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up to the Amazon affiliate program so you can promote products like this one and get your unique link, which looks something like this. And then when people click on this and buy, you will then earn commissions on Amazon, which looks like this. I'm going to run you through everything that you need to do in this video, step by step, so let's jump into it. So the first thing you need to do is go ahead and go over to the Amazon Associates page so you can sign up. Now the best and easiest way to do that is just go to Google and search for Amazon Associates, and it should be the first one that comes up here. Now, one important thing to note, when you search Amazon Associates, the one that's going to come up at the top is probably going to be Amazon.com. Now, if you go ahead and click on this one, it will take you here, and you're signing up to the Amazon.com Associates program, so you can only promote products which are in the US. If you wanted to promote products on the UK Amazon or the Indian Amazon or any of the other Amazon platforms, you need to sign up for their own affiliate program. So let's say I wanted to sign up for UK, I would search for Amazon Associates UK, and you can see here is the UK program which we can open, and we can sign up for this as well. You can see I'm already signed up, and here is my account. For the video though, I'm going to cover the US Amazon because that's the biggest one, and it's the one I recommend you sign up for first, and it will make signing up for all of the others a lot easier. So once you're on this page here, you want to then go ahead and click sign up, and here we can enter some information and get signed up. So here you can see you're creating your Amazon Associates account, and you need to give Amazon 4 types of information here. So the first bit of information is very easy, just enter in your name and your address, and enter in a valid phone number, and you can then scroll down and click next once you've done all of that. So next you need to give Amazon links to your social medias or a website. Now when I signed up with my YouTube channel, so if anyone's asking if they can sign up with a YouTube channel, yes you can, just make sure there's some content on there. So it says important, please read these instructions before you fill out this form, and it just says that you're signing up to the Amazon.com program, which is the US Amazon, and if you want to sign up for all of the others, you need to sign up individually. So what you want to do is enter in your websites here. I'm going to link my YouTube channel for this video, just another YouTube channel I have. So I'm going to click on it, and I can just copy the link of this YouTube channel here, and then I can go back to the page, paste it in, click add, and there you can see that website has been added. You can add your website, you can add YouTube channels, you can add any social media accounts if they have a little bit of a following and have some content. So now I've done that, I'm now going to click on next, and it's going to ask you if any of the traffic sources are directed at children under 13. I'm going to click no, then confirm. And now the next step is to enter in your preferred associate store ID. This is going to be kind of like the ID which is attached to your Amazon links. This doesn't really matter, but it's just going to be in your links, so you might as well choose something that looks good. I'm just going to type in here Full Moon Finance, because that's what my channel's called. And then tell us about the content you create. I create how-to tutorials in the crypto niche. This channel here is a crypto channel. Now we can go ahead and scroll down. Which of the following best describes your content? I'm going to then click on search. How did you hear about us? You would put here online search, and then you need to type in this CAPTCHA. Agree to the terms, and then click finish. So now it says congrats, thank you for applying, here's your associate's ID. You'll have full access to the Amazon Associates program, but they are going to look at your application and approve you or deny you based on your application. It says here if you've not got any sales in 180 days, your application and account will be withdrawn. You can then scroll down and enter in tax information if you want to. Right now I'm just going to click on later because I can do that later another time. Now we're inside of the Amazon Associates program. Now we can go ahead and grab our links. Now the first thing that I would recommend you do is go to tools and then go to SiteStripe. Then just go to learn more, and if you scroll down here, just make sure that SiteStripe is enabled. That way when you go to Amazon, let me just refresh the page here. So now you're on Amazon, you'll see this grey bar, and you wouldn't have seen this before if you didn't already have an Amazon Associates account. Now you can go to Amazon and you can search for anything, so let's search for iPhone. Now I can scroll down and choose the product that I want to promote. Then if we go to the Amazon Associates SiteStripe banner up here, we can then get a link. So we can get a text link, an image link, or a text and image link. I'm just going to click on text, and you can see here we can choose our store ID. Because I've got 2 accounts now, I need to choose the ID. So we'll choose the one I've just created, and then I can click on get link. Here you can see it then generates a link. We can also change it so it's a full link as well. I would just recommend you use a short link. And then this link here, you can copy and paste and put it on your YouTube channel or your blog content or your social medias. And if people were to buy after clicking on your link, you will then earn a commission. So I hope that video was helpful for you. Let me know in the comment section below if you've got any questions.